Let's bake today. A colorful car is on the way. Mix the colors, stir with care. Learning colors everywhere.
Ready, chefs? Let's start!
Little Chef Mia said, let's see.
We need the colors 1, 2, 3.
Red like cherries, bright and sweet. Blue like oceans, cool and neat. Yellow like sunshine in the sky.
Primary colors, let's give them a try. Stir it, mix it round and round. Color magic can be found. What happens when colors meet? Let's make our car cake bright and sweet. But secondary colors, mix and match. Red and yellow, mix them slow.
Orange, watch it glow.
Blue and yellow, swirl it through.
Green pops out, brand new.
Red and blue, stir with care. Purple appears right there.
Mix, what do you see? New colors made magically. Orange, green, and purple too. Secondary colors just for you.
Decorating with tertiary colors.
Now our car needs fancy flair.
Tertiary colors everywhere.
Red one, orange, red, orange bright.
Yellow on orange, well yellow orange light.
Yellow on green, beetle, yellow, green fun.
Blue green and blue green like the sea and sun. Blue purple glow. Red purple, watch it show.
Decorate and spread with care. Color frosting everywhere.
Primary, secondary, tertiary too. Color chefs, that's you. Into the oven, wait a bit.
Ding, the timer says it's it.
Out comes a rainbow car so bright. Color learning feels just right. Beep, beep, the cake's ready to share. Color magic everywhere.
Bake it, make it, shout hooray. We learned our colors today. Mix and match and you will see. Color experts we can be.
Primary, secondary, tertiary fun.
Color learning for everyone.
Here are 100 questions for kids. What are the 3 primary colors? What color do red and yellow make?
Can you find something green near you?
Which color would you use for your car cake?